The Creator is bringing and delivering a great message to us all the time, eternally. In every moment of our being, the Creator is sending His light through an inner channel, through our thoughts, through our feelings, through our senses, to bring us to great clarifications and to deep understandings about the true purpose of our life and our existence. And the person should tune himself, connect himself to the inner voice of goodness that is speaking from within his soul, and hinting him and whispering to him from inside how to become a better person, how to be a nicer person, how to be more kind and soft and friendly, patient and understanding, loving, respecting, caring, desiring justice and truth. And not only to be soft and humble, also to be strong and firm and powerful, all the good qualities to demand the truth and to investigate for it and to be able to sacrifice for the sake of truth, to dare and to fight against evil, to protect the weak, and never to back off from good things that you've started, not to give up on your dreams, not to back off on your loved ones, never to betray no one, never to lie, always to be honest and truthful and sincere, to be righteous and loyal. And when a person, he aims his heart for that noble voice that is all the time calling him from within to be that amazing and inspiring and lovely soul, portion of godliness that he really is, then he is reflecting the true nature of his soul. But if a person is falling in the trap of the evil inclination to listen to the voice of negativity that is breaking his self-esteem all the time in half, all the time showing you the lack of your full cup, all the time showing to you the crack in your house, showing to you the lackings of your friends, showing to you the negative aspects of your life, showing to you the poverty, showing to you the lacks of your memories, the unstable thoughts that you have, your imbalanced emotions that you carry with you. When a person is following that negativity, following that negative voice, that he always downgrade himself, does not enjoy his qualities, start criticizing himself, blaming himself, and listening to that dark force that is whispering as well from within, then he starts to become negative to his environment, and he goes with anger, with frustration, with rage, with jealousy, with crazy sadness that is overwhelming him from another disappointment and another feeling of loss. And he cannot recognize that all of his life he is standing in every moment and moment in an intersection that he has only two options always: to choose life or to give up on life, to choose good or to give up to the bad, to fight for goodness to be revealed, for all good qualities that we yearn and desire, or to surrender to despair and sadness and bitterness. Every moment in the present time is a moment that the staff of God, the staff of the free choice, is in our hands to choose life to choose good, to choose to be who we meant to be. And it's in our power not to back off of those qualities of our spirit. And when a person falls to that negativity and to that sadness of not knowing who he is and losing himself in the journey of life, a person will very fast lose his desire for life, and he will desire death. He will start hating his life, and he will start wanting to put an end to his life, and he will want to put an end to life of other people as well, because he will keep on blaming the external world for his lackings, but only because that he himself is not happy with his being, only because that he himself is not enjoying the inner treasures of his spirit that are inspiring the person to fight till the end to be a good person and not to back off on the truth that is shining from inside. And when a person is a real truth seeker and a real warrior for the good, for the side of light, then he will find satisfaction even in the battles, even in the wars, because he will see that he conquered, he will see that he is harvesting, he will see that he is succeeding, he will see that he protects life, he will see that even though that thousands died around him, he was able to save life of one child, of one person, of one man or a woman, a friend, or even a person that is totally foreign to him. But he will recognize the qualities of life. A person cannot find the qualities of life outside when he is not connected to the qualities of his own character, without understanding and finding the real, true, good nature of your own spirit and soul. Only when you relate to your own goodness and you recognize your qualities and you stop chasing with crazy criticism against yourself, hating yourself and blaming yourself and slaughtering yourself alive based on foreign things, on negative thoughts of the evil inclination. When you stop chasing and blaming yourself, then you can find the light. Only when you find the qualities of your spirit, the treasures that are treasured inside of your own soul, only then you can find the true purpose of your being. And that's our life mission. And this is the light of this wonderful holy day of Chanukah. To remember that small amount of light can illuminate a great amount of darkness, that few individuals are able to fight against a huge army and to defeat them and make them run away from their land and to bring them to their, to kick them out of our own houses and to protect our own families. And it's in our hands to conquer that war. It's in our hands to achieve that desire victory that we all hope for and dream of. And it is in our power to bring the redemption. And this is something that we should not stop hoping for and pray for. We cannot just be religious. We cannot just be believers. We cannot just have a spiritual aspect to our lives. We must have a purpose, a meaning to our life, a goal. We need to set that goal. That the person will have a house, that he will have $1 million in his bank account or another $1 million in his bank account. Even that his children will be healthy and that he will be successful or that his spouse will love him finally. That's not enough. You cannot satisfy yourself with that, even though that it's beautiful, even though that it's great. It's a brick in the wall. It's a step in your journey. You should have your mindset aimed for complete success to all people from all nations and to all animals, to all birds, to all fish, to all plants, to all the trees, to all the flowers. that everyone on earth will bloom, that everyone in the galaxy will be happy, that all the creations of the Creator will live life of prosperity and joy and happiness, that everyone will achieve their perfection, that everyone will reunite with love and honor and respect, that there will be no more death, that there will be no more plagues, no more darkness, that the night will shine like the brightest day, that only good will take place between us all, and that we will all hold hands together and sing the name of God in harmony and in grace, to respect Him and to show His loving kindness to all His creations. If you recognize that, it means that you are attached to your soul. If you recognize His godliness, it means that you have an inner channel that is supplying and bringing holy information from within. It means that you are channeled and connected to the Creator from your soul through the light of your soul. It's shining upon you. Be generous and go and spread that light. Let other people believe in themselves as well. Build people, support people, help them to find themselves, inspire them to look for purpose, wake them up to find the real purpose and reason for their existence, to use the talents that they've been blessed with, to open their eyes and to recognize their qualities, for them to use those tools that have been given to them for the same purpose of crowning the Creator to His kingship on earth as loyal children that never forgot their Father, that never forgot who created them and for which purpose they've been sent down to earth. We are here to achieve completion, to create unity between all of us, with no dividings, with no separations, with no criticism or fights or wars, just to spread complete love and compassion. And if you don't get that class, so I suggest you to go and dip yourself in Nehar Dinur, the river of fire, and hopefully it's going to purify you, and if not in this world, so in the world to come. Amen. Ken Yehi Ratzon.